Hi everyone, welcome to the BioNexus, your gateway to mastering biology for entrance exams and beyond. Today, we begin our journey with the very first chapter of our Class 11 Biology, The Living World. Have you ever wondered what exactly makes something alive? Or how scientists classify the millions of species on the Earth? In this video, we will explore key concepts like the characteristics of living organisms, taxonomy, nomenclature, and the importance of classification in biology. Whether you are preparing for your NEET exam, AIIMS entrance, or just want to build a strong foundation, you are in the right place. So grab your notebook, stay curious, and let's dive into the fascinating world of life. Coming to the first question, which of the following is not a defining characteristic of living organism? The right answer is option B, reproduction. While reproduction is a common feature of living organisms, it is not a defining feature because there are exceptions. For example, mules, the sterile workers in honeybees. The defining feature means it must apply to all living organisms without exception. That is why here the answer is option B, reproduction. Question number 2. Which among the following shows both growth and reproduction as part of life processes? The correct answer is C, bacteria. Bacteria grow and reproduce by binary fission. But in case of crystals, they grow but do not reproduce. What about viruses? Viruses reproduce only inside host cells, and sand particles neither grow nor reproduce. The third question, which property of living organisms is absolutely defining? The right answer is option D, metabolism. As we all know, metabolism is sum of all chemical reactions in an organism. It is present in all living organisms and absent in non-living things, making it a defining characteristic. Question 4. Taxonomy is the science of. The right answer is option B, classification. Taxonomy deals with identification, naming, and classification of organisms based on shared characteristic. Question number 5. Who introduced the system of binomial nomenclature? It's a very important and common question in most of the entrance examinations. And the right answer is, as you all know, it's Linnaeus. To be more specific, Carolus Linnaeus. Question 6. The term systematics was first used by. Here also the answer is Linnaeus, the option A. Moving to the next question. Which one of the following is the correct scientific name of mango as per ICBN? The right answer is option A, Mangifera indica. Always the genus is capitalized and species is in lowercase, and both are written either in italic form, or if you are doing it handwritten, then it should be separately underlined. So the answer here is option A, as it is in italicized form. Next question. Hierarchical classification was first proposed by. The right answer is option B, Linnaeus. Moving to the next one. Arrange the taxonomic categories in descending order. You can go through all the options, and the right answer here it is option B, kingdom, class, order, family, genus, species. So it's in the descending order. That's the topmost one will be coming at first, and the lowermost one will be the last option. The 10th question, which of the following is the basic unit of classification? As we all know, the basic unit of classification is species. It is the fundamental category in taxonomy. It includes individuals capable of interbreeding. Moving to the next one, which taxonomic category includes organisms of related genera? The right answer is option D, family. A family includes related genera common features. Question number 12. The highest taxonomic category among the following is? The highest one is kingdom. Question number 13. The largest botanical garden in India is? Right answer is option A, Indian Botanical Garden, located in Howrah. It is in West Bengal. It is famous for its collection and research facilities. Number 14. The book Genera Plantarum was written by? The right answer is option A, Bentham and Hooker. It is one of the significant work in plant taxonomy and it is used in classifying plants. Coming to the next one. Which one of the following shows discontinuous growth? The right answer is option B, animals. Animals grow only up to a certain age. Hence, their growth is mentioned as discontinuous, but plants grow throughout their life. Question 16. Which among the following is a taxon? Answer is B, phylum. A taxon is a group of organisms classified together, and phylum is a taxonomic rank. Number 17. Who defined taxonomy as classification, identification, nomenclature, and description? The right answer is option B, Mayer. To be more specific, Ernest Mayer expanded the scope of taxonomy beyond classification. Question 18. Binomial nomenclature includes? Answer is option A, genus and species. So every organism is named using these two ranks we had already mentioned, and the genus is capitalized and species is in lowercase. Species is more specifically termed as specific epithet. Moving to the next one. The tools for identification of plants and animals based on similarities and differences are called. Right answer is option D, that is key. The key is a tool which is used to identify and classify organisms based on their physical characteristics. For example, a dichotomous key, which helps identify organisms based on contrasting features. Number 20. Growth in living organisms occurs due to? The right answer is option D, all of the above. Growth can result from increase in size, material accumulation, or an increase in cell number. Which taxonomic aid provides information for the identification of names of species found in an area? The right answer is option A, flora. A flora is a list of all plant species in a region with identification details. Question 22. Which of the following is not a taxonomic category? The right answer is option D, phylogeny. Phylogeny refers to the evolutionary history of organism. It is not a formal taxonomic category. Question 23. A monograph provides information on? The right answer is option D, any one taxon. A monograph is a detailed account of a single taxon, like one genus or one family. Question 24. In binomial nomenclature, the second word represents? Yeah, we all know that. The right answer is C, species. Coming to the next question, who is known as the father of taxonomy? Yeah, it's very simple but very important. The right answer is option C, Linnaeus. Question 26. Which of the following is not a property of all living organisms? The right answer is option D, photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is performed by only phototrophs like plants or algae. Not all living organisms do it. Animals do not do. So here the answer is photosynthesis. Moving to the next slide. In which of the following organisms is reproduction not a defining feature? The right answer is option C, mules. Mules are sterile hybrids and do not reproduce, showing that reproduction is not a universal characteristic. Number 28. What is the defining feature of viruses? The right answer is D, reproduction only inside host. Moving to the next one. The word taxonomy is derived from which language? The right answer is option A, Greek. Number 30. Reproduction in unicellular organisms occurs mainly through. Right answer is option B, binary fission. It's a form of asexual reproduction where one cell splits into two. Number 31. What do herbarium sheets usually contain? The right answer is option C, dried, pressed, and preserved plants. Herbariums are used for study and reference in plant taxonomy. Number 32. Which category comes after order in the taxonomic hierarchy? Right answer is option A, family. You all know the right classification is like it goes like species, genus, family, order. Number 33. Which of the following is not considered a living feature? Right answer is crystallization. Crystals grow, but this is a physical process. It's not a biological one. So the right answer here is crystallization. Number 34. Which taxonomic aid is like a dictionary of species? The right answer is C, manual. A manual, it provides brief descriptions for identifying different species. Number 35. What does ICBN stand for? Yeah, this is very good question, and do not get confused with biological and botanical here. Here the right answer is option C, International Code of Botanical Nomenclature. Okay, so you have to stress this one. It's botanical nomenclature. Number 36, classification based on observable characteristic is called. Yeah, it is morphological classification. It uses physical features to classify organisms. And the last question, each organism is given two names which refers to. The right answer is binomial nomenclature, introduced by Linnaeus using genus and species. So the generic name and specific epithet. So it is binomial nomenclature. So that's all for today's video. I hope you found it helpful and easy to understand. If you enjoyed the session, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the BioNexus for much more exam-focused videos on biology. If you have some queries, drop them in the comments. I'll be happy to help you. Thank you all. All the best for your exams.